Car had flipped over. Truck right there flipped upside down. 3-car collision. White guy right there with the Georgia book bag on, pulled Buddy out the car. You see the ambulance?
Sean called the police. I get Sean. You want to call?
Sean right there. Everybody be tripping about getting a couple dollars. Sean the one call the police. Sean, tell me what happened, Sean. You seen it, Sean? Did you see it happen, Sean?
Yeah.
What happened?
I called 911.
You called 911? Did you see the accident really happen?
That's my cousin.
You seen it? You seen the car flip?
Yeah.
What happened? Who did who? Let them know, Sean, you in the building.
I just see my phone.
3-car collision. What happened, ma'am?
3-car accident.
3-car accident. Did you actually see it happen? Oh, good gracious alive.
Right after it happened, I pulled up.
Hey, is anybody hurt? Any fatal accidents?
Everybody died. Everybody okay. They're working on them.
That is great. That is great right there.
Teresa Roundtree, you know her?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
What's that prayer for?
Most definitely. And the guy over there laying down on the ground, how is he?
He's doing okay.
That's great. That's great. No broken bones look like?
I don't know. They got to check him. But all that time, there's something going on.
Well, yeah, I'm glad there was somewhere respectable people stood up and helped out in this nation.
What's this? Wow.
Yeah, right. That one.
I'm gonna need to get out of this job breaking.
Oh, that's what you were waiting on. Okay, we through being nosy. Another day on the east side. Another day on the. I'll finna hit you again in a while. Damn, you ain't seen it, did you, Rob?
I just pulled up, man.
You feel me? Everybody out here just knows. You feel me?
Bro, you got a car versus a truck, and the truck turned over. That's good.
All the way live. There's no particular day on the east side.
Yeah.
You already know.
Move to the north.
You feel me? Yeah.